Hello, this is me again, your cameraman, Daniel Drupsky, and this is the third video for January 24th, 2023. And right now they're packing everything in with this, and you know, right now there's a truck out there that is about to take the one of the trucks out. Yep, they've been here for about 4 weeks. Three originals were been gone since last week, like the truck pickup with the dirt, and two original bulldozers, one in yellow and one in orange. And now they're taking like vehicles away or something, yep. Because they completed the job. But it was not easy. Hopefully much later it's going to be an aftermath video when we get through with this. I always enjoy aftermath. That means like after they did. Right now it's about 10:45 in the morning. It was sunny early and now it's getting kind of cloudy. They've been working in this project for 3 weeks, since January 2nd. About 22 days and about 3 weeks. 3 weeks is a long time to get used to these things. I'm used to using the camera for these days and weeks. Hopefully soon, all this is going to be put on into like the YouTube. This is why I'm putting this into like the YouTube, because it's for a video album. This truck is over there. That's right. It took like a long while to get this thing built, but it was a not easy foundation, but they did it. That's why I was just holding a camera. I don't know what they're taking. One of the vehicles, yeah. I guess this truck is going into this other truck. The one they put the roof on? Yeah. It takes like a little long while to get it in. They're putting it in? Yep, that's what they're doing. The first 3 years everything was changing in Pottsville. Like, first they did with this, then the library with the no more VHS tapes rentals. Now it's DVDs fully. And also, now for wheels, now they changed into like, now for wheels they're gonna make into like a taco wheels, like a little updating. Now they're putting a truck in there. Yep. Maybe they'll pull it away. I just can't see it because this freaking window, and it's too damn cold to open it. They're putting it in. Yep. That's what they're doing. So from 2 weeks ago on the other videos, the dumpster at 710 is actually gone. But some people still working at that house. It's going to be on these other videos. Stupid cat's going to be up my tail. Sorry about that. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'll put this right into my plants till I get back. Okay. Sorry about this, folks. I had to get my watch. Right now it's about specifically almost I think it's about 10:45 now in the morning. It's going down a little bit. This is the third video for January 24th, 2023. Now they fit in the... Hold on a second. Anything wrong, Dad? Okay, thank you. Sorry about this, folks. Another interruption. Let's hope this truck moves out of here. So I want to get out of here too. Everything's coming to an end. Took like exactly 3 weeks to build this. 3 long weeks. It took like a long while from the tree cuttings from 2021, tree cutting again from last year around August, and also they did some work around like Halloween when it was so warm at the time. That's when we had warm October. And sometimes they do get like a little work around there around by March of last year of 2022. Much later, I'm going to show you the aftermath. Much later. I always give you the dates and time. I guess the truck is all put in already. Yep. Let's hope they pull it away. They've been here for weeks. I'm used to this for these past 3 weeks. It's like being in jail for 3 weeks, or being in the army, or in school. Think they tightened the truck in there? Yeah. He's going in. This is the closest I can get. Get out of here already. He's packing it in. Yep. Fly. Let's hope it goes away. It's been a long 3 weeks with this project, and it was not easy. They've been sitting there for 3 weeks, and they cleaned everything out after they worked on. Let's hope the truck goes. Now it's about like 10:50. No, I think it's about 10:53 now. I'm just trying to get a better angle with this video. Get in already. I want to get out of here. We're going to tie this up. Damn this thing. Okay.